That's them noodles, y'all. Got those udon noodles. Those udon noodles. Look at this. Look at them eyes. I think this is the spot right here. This is the spot, y'all. We're about to go in here. How you doing? Let's go check it out, y'all. This spot is called Japan Village. I don't see any signs on it though. Here it is right here. This is where we're going, y'all. This is where we're headed. Y'all know I'm getting something. I gotta get around here on the other side. What's going on, y'all? So it's gonna be udon noodles. Udon, I'm still hanging out with the YouTube crew. We're gonna choose some udon noodles. I don't know what I'm getting. It's kake, kitsune, tempura. Ooh, served with shrimp, tempura. Sweet, this is what I'm getting, y'all. Check it out. This is what it is, y'all. We getting the noodles, the udon noodles. Yo, look at this, man. This looks absolutely amazing. Y'all know how to get the Sprite. Got the shrimp tempura and the udon noodle. Let's check it out. Check this out, man. Y'all thought this was a game? Y'all thought this was a game? I got my veggies. I got my prawn. This right here. Did I lose the receipt? I did. Yeah. This right here was $19. With the shrimp and the veggies and the udon noodles and the soda, $19. That's them noodles, y'all. Got those udon noodles. Those udon noodles. Look at them, man. They look delicious. Everything looks delicious. I don't have my gimbal. Got our friends here.
To do YouTube. There's a book I want you to read. Well, you can read it or listen to it.
How are we going to succeed?
Look, y'all, we here live, Sunset Park, Brooklyn. Look at this. Look at them eyes. I don't like my food staring at me.
So my whole thing is, how do I get
udon noodles.
The only thing I plan to do with the YouTube channel,
I want to take that head off.
these are all customizable.
I'm gonna take that head off.
I want to create tutorials to show people if you want to replace your RAM with your SSD.
All right, y'all, whatever
If you want to optimize
batter they use for this is delicious.
all kinds of stuff. This is how to do it. But there's only so many of those videos I can make. After that, there's nothing else to do.
That's what I said. Okay, so this is where you need a content strategy. The book is good because it has like action plans. Like actual things that you can walk out. I think with YouTube,
These are some of the best noodles I've had since Japan.
it's something that I gotta think about.
Look at this, man. I don't want to drop that juice out of there.
So you said tutorials as well.
Look at them noodles.
So you have to like come up with something else as well. The one thing what YouTube has, Instagram or what is TikTok, Facebook.
Yeah, Facebook.
If you do like short form videos, you can also put the same ones on YouTube.
You ever eat food
Like shorts,
and be like, yo, I'm going to
videos,
get all my friends and family and bringing them back here?
right? You can use
That's what this is about.
well, tutorials I think is pretty good.
Got to show you guys.
Most of the
That's what this
content
is
we have
about
so
right
far
here, y'all.
is, long form. But one of these, this guy did a short.
This is delicious. Wow. I know those shrimp, right? The shrimp say so delicious. I know. I think I have gift to know wild shrimp from farm raised. And this is
And then you have
wild caught shrimp.
That's my part. And then you have these other guys who've done videos also. But most of these are like long form stuff where they're talking about it. This next guy, he's talking about it.
I gotta add some spices to it now.
Along with,
See, I got my spices right there. Gotta add my spices.
But what you do?
Let me just put this here.
Numbers are high, so
Wait a minute.
you got people follow, right? So it's like you have a strategy for those peppers.
Look at these spices here, y'all. Look at the spices.
no matter who you are, what you
See
do,
them spices right there?
everyone uses a computer for creation, right? Even if you're not a creator, like
I'm just gonna, you know what? I'm not gonna eat them spices like that. I want to mix it up.
No matter what you do, you're gonna use a computer. So
Nah, it's not too spicy. It's tangy though.
For the same price as a basic level computer, you kind of have
Let's
to
throw this in the
determine
soup.
that, right?
Take this here,
So
put it in there like that.
You know, you did a pretty good job. You know, showing all
Oh, I forgot to take the head off.
stuff like that.
Let's do that.
So some of these guys,
think I wanna
they
switch
made
cameras
some
up.
Pretty good videos, right? But again, how many of these do we make? So now every time we have a few more guys that want to make videos, but now everyone has to think of something different that someone else didn't do.
They got that
This guy
scallions in
did
there.
one, another one that did videos.
The
showing
noodles
how
are very
he
tasty,
put all his stuff on,
flavorful.
recorded a piece of music, edited the
I think that
video on
oniony,
laptop.
scalliony taste though makes it really delicious.
A dedicated video.
Because what I think you can do actually, okay, there are two brands, right? One is, do you know D-Brand?
Yes.
D-Brand has a really cool personality.
Now I want to know what's used to make these udon noodles. We're gonna have to put
It's
the
like,
ingredients
I
up.
don't know what to call it. I'm pretty sure there's a name for it to market or something, the brand, but the way that they do their
Okay, I'm gonna just,
they make it cool.
I'm gonna bite the head off of this one.
Trendsetter, right? So there's like a
Oh, it's too late.
right?
You could probably do something like that with
Yeah, so you create a personality for your brand, right?
Okay.
A personality that people can identify with.
I got this
And
camera in
then
this
that
hand right here. I'm looking at y'all from my iPhone.
maybe like an influencer or whatever.
Hold up, I need both hands real
Someone
quick.
likes a certain influencer, they want to support all that they do, right? So you want to become that to the people. But I think there's a thing called trend jacking. You probably heard that term before. Trend
That
jacking.
batter, man.
Okay.
That batter right there.
There's always something that's actually going on in terms of social media. And you can find a way to do something.
Then I got veggies too. This looks like a jalapeno.
How can I incorporate my product in this thing, right? And you can ride those waves.
That's a jalapeno.
So that could be something like
It's a shishito.
Nice, huh?
It's a shishito.
It's a shishito.
It's a Japanese jalapeno.
It's a Japanese jalapeno. I got some help over here, y'all. These are my friends right here. Hold up, man. My friends, they know. They know. She's from Japan, and he's her husband.
you should 100%
It's delicious.
you should not it's not even a question. If you read the book,
How about this one?
That's a really should read it. Because it's also for
Same
It's
shishito.
probably the same, just a bigger one. Yeah.
This one was
Yeah. They
okay.
vary that much in size.
Okay.
the execution. Because you might be busy with the day-to-day.
It's delicious.
doing all the other stuff.
I gotta dip it in this soup broth though. This udon noodle broth. Delicious.
But I think tutorials or trend jacking, when you're on TikTok or Reels, you see something that's going on.
Wow.
you do the same thing. Find out what to incorporate.
I'm just dipping the pepper in the soup broth, and it is delicious.
Spending money. You want to do that. I keep telling even the guy that designed this, right? He was talking. He said that paid influencers and promoting. Bro, everyone that's seen me wear this like it.
Y'all know I didn't bring any napkins. Oh, thank you. You heard me. No, right here, right here. No. They give me napkins, man. Y'all know I always forget my napkins. And
But if you have any
I got help, man. Thank you, my man right there. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look, y'all, we got plenty of napkins. Thanks to my new friends. We definitely got to do some contact, social media or something before you go.
I know what you mean. It's like I do interviews, right?
This is delicious. That's all I'm going to say. We can end the video now.
Same thing, like,
This is Matt DV signing off. Thanks for liking and subscribing.
hey, would you mind doing this?
If nobody told you today,
So
You go
We
in
need
there.
like a maybe a person, but it depends.
I love you, cats. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong cats. I'm like high off of food right now. I love you, cats. Thanks for always supporting and subscribing. Thanks for sharing. I start noticing a few people are sharing the videos. Wow, wow, wow. Thanks for sharing. I'll see you guys in the next one. Signing off from Sunset Park, Brooklyn, at the Japan Village. I'm coming back here again, man. I'm bringing the family back here. I'll see you guys at the next one. Peace. So you were interviewing the Japanese brother about hip hop, and he said that
Takashi means, I think it's Takashi.
what he learned over here is that, and it was an interesting concept from his vision that Black Americans don't invest in their future.
No, it was like,
And how Japanese culture is all about the future. Get
Yeah.
education, put away for the future.
he's like, they're always thinking about the future. No, he said he thinks.
He
Right?
thinks, yeah.
Yeah, so it's almost like when you see something, you're saying, okay, I think this is the reason why this is the case. So it's like just him just using his mind. It's not that this is a fact, but it's like,
Yeah.
oh, maybe this is why.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
know? Yeah,
His
so-
opinion, definitely. I thought it was interesting, though.
Yeah, that's what
You
I
know,
said. That's
because I concur on some
but
of it.
a lot of people are offended by it, but I'm just like, to me, I like hearing just people's opinion. I'm like,
Yeah.
tell me what you think.
Right.
Right. And then when you tell me, then I can tell you something else. But I want to know what you think.
Right, right.
In its rawest form.
Right. Okay, y'all. This is upstairs. This is the second floor, actually, and it's still like just a whole lot of Japanese things. This is too cool. We could have came up here to eat. People are up here, yo.
it's like they have all of this stuff in one area, and like this massive market. They have everything.
This is too cool, y'all. I am coming back here, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Here with the fellas, y'all. We got, where you from, man? Brooklyn. You from Brooklyn? Yeah. All right, we got a lot of Brooklyn folks here. Brooklyn in the house.
Yeah. What part of Brooklyn?
Flatbush. See that? We making new friends here, man. That's what's up, man. Network, build that network.
Of course, yeah.
Oh, yeah? Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, my daughter would love this.
Now we're across the street.
Okay, y'all, we came across the second floor, down these stairs here, and they have way more, look like they sell like some type of beverages here. And I don't even know which way we came in, but look like there's a little courtyard here. There's some type of chocolate spot right here. It looks like they actually manufacture and make chocolate, because I see the chocolate, the bunny, Mr. Peter Cottontail over there. I see Frosty the Snowman chocolate. We're gonna go over there in a minute. Look at the chocolate champagne. We gotta come back here, y'all. And then they have some more of these things right here. Oh, wow. Look, man, this is crazy, right? Look, you got Peter Cottontail there, the champagne chocolate. I want some chocolate now.
This is further down. So all the way down is going to be different shops. On this side, over there, different, past that, different, over there, different, past that, different. It goes forever.
Thank you, sir. That's our tour guide there, too. You felt that heat, right? There it is, y'all. We back out here again. It's getting dark. If y'all see my live feed, we were out here. This is too cool.
Every time I go to Japanese person I drink, they're so surprised, like, wow.
Yo, we coming back here for some sushi. I'm coming back here for sushi. Good sushi? Oh, you got the menu? We're gonna look at the menu.